Here's the battery-operated Sneezing Bear with Lighted Eyes by Linmar. Got his skin back on, got his fur little pelt replaced, and here he goes. Or she. There you go, battery-operated Sneezing Bear by Linmar. Ta-da!